about the Comox Valley Conservation Partnership and some of the crazy ideas we come up with. First of all, the Comox Valley Conservation Partnership is a group that brings together 23 different local streamkeeper groups, ratepayers associations, and other sort of active community groups in one common forum to work proactively with local governments, specifically to advance our agenda of environmental protection and stewardship. We engage with local government in a number of ways. Some examples of those are with the City of Courtenay. We are a development referral agency, so we're looking at environmental concerns that might be moved forward by a development. But we also participate in a number of different public advisory bodies, well, for example, the Comox Lake Watershed Advisory Group, or the CBRD's Liquid Waste Management Planning program. Members of the public advisory committee there. And we actively look for opportunities to lend our voices to other local government initiatives that are happening, and that may be, updating an OCP, or, for example, recently the City of Courtenay's Subdivision and Development Services bylaw. All of these things are really essential to the wise use of the environmental resources and water in particular. So we're really focusing in on providing one common voice from our stewardship community into those processes wherever we can. There's so much exciting stuff happening in the Comox Valley along those lines right now, so the time is really right for us to have a very positive impact. City of Courtenay's urban forest strategy and integrated rainwater management plans are on the table as well, and we're very, very happy to be able to participate proactively with the local governments in those things. I think our model as a conservation partnership is fairly unique in BC in that way, and we're quite proud of that. There are at least 6 other conservation partnerships in British Columbia, but to my knowledge, we're the only one that really focuses on that local government piece. So I think it's an innovative model that can be transferable to other communities. And the secret to our success really can be summed up in 2 words: partnerships and relationships. So today I'm just going to briefly illustrate power that stewardship groups can have in working collaboratively with local governments and other partners by illustrating what I think is quite a unique project that is really as much about reconciliation as it is about restoration.